Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your ink cartridges on your Epson WF-2650 printer. This printer comes with a lot of different supply ink cartridges to us. We have black, we have cyan, we have magenta and yellow. So we have 4 separated cartridge systems which you can buy separately. Okay, but before we're going to have a look what we have to replace on this printer system, we go down to setup. Then we can see here directly the ink levels. Let's have a look to the ink levels. You see now BK, that's not a Burger King, no, that's black, is full. We do not have to make a replacement there. C is full too. C is cyan. M is empty and Y is empty. Y is yellow and M is magenta. Okay, now we see what the ink level is. Yeah, good job. We go back again into setup mode. We go down to paper setup area. You see the paper set as A4 because we will need this if we now go to print status sheet. Yeah. Then we go to the good and nice supply status sheet and we print this. After the printer prints this document for us, we can see what kind of ink cartridges we will need. Here it is. This is the status sheet, and we see here the supply status. The ink cartridges is color black, part number 16XL, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Okay, so that it is. Now we have the information what kind of the ink cartridges for a color print we will need here. Then the next thing is, of course, we go again to the setup here. Then we go down, maintenance. We go here to print or ink cartridges replacement. Okay, we push OK, and then we can push start. Now the printer will be performing that we are able to replace the cartridges. Which we are going to replace, we know, because of the ink status reminder. Now we have to go inside the machine. Okay, for understanding, the upper area here is for scanner unit. No, we go a little bit more down and lift up this area. And then we are going to zoom in and we see here, that's the cartridges here. And you see, because of the preparing step, we are now able to see here BK, C, M, and Y. So we now can directly go to the right cartridge. We have here a new for replacement, a new cartridge. And we see this is the 1633XL, okay? And we see magenta. Magenta is nearly empty, so we should replace it. But now how we replace it? We see here that lever, yeah? And if we push them both together, like I show it on the new one, we can remove the old one. So here we are, go to the lever, push it, and pull out. So here we see new and the old one. The difference between them is, of course, here is a hole in it, a penetration for get out the ink. And on the upper side, there is a hole for inflate. Okay, here's the new one. Have a look that there is a ship. If you does not like a ship system, you can remove the firmware and patch this device. But this I'll show you in a different video. Okay, now to activate the ink, we have to remove this layer there. And now we have a look that the lever is on the back side. We slide that into position, as you can see. Here we are. Here we are. It is in position, and now we push on it. Press, job's done. Now it is locked in this area, and we are ready. We are ready for the next step now. Okay, that means now our ink is replaced. We go to start. Now is checking the ink cartridges. You will see it is now moving a little bit the printer's head. Here we are. Job's done, baby. And we will get here an information, of course, that there is a new cartridge system in. But we have a non-generating detected. Do you wish to continue? Yes, of course, because we are going to use this not generating cartridge. Yes, for this, we are do this by performing the upper button here. And now the cartridge is set up done. Now we can go back to setup and look to the ink level and see B, K, C, and M now are full. We can close the lid again and have fun with the printer again to use this new cartridge inside. Okay, yellow we can't replace at the same thread as shown before, and the other ones if they are empty too. So you can remove, replace, and make a setup with a replaceable and replacement ink system on your Epson WF-2650. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel.